Hey, so tools for daily management. Within lean manufacturing, having regular and effective daily management is one of the key things to make sure that you hit your goals and achieve your targets weekly, monthly, quarterly. Within daily management, one of the first things that you can do right at the start of the shift is a daily stand-up meeting. That's where everyone downs their tools for 5 to 10 minutes, gets together and has a review about what's going to happen today in the manufacturing plant. It's a great way of getting everyone involved in the decision-making process and making sure that everyone's on track to help achieve the goals that you've set. So, what's the agenda for a daily stand-up meeting for a manufacturing plant? It's usually these things: covering the results of yesterday and any problems that came out. If you didn't reach your production targets yesterday, why not? Is it something we can resolve today? Then what today's goals are, and then also, are there any unusual or high priority orders that are coming through today that need to be handled slightly differently? Then going on to a review of the current work in process. So having a look at if everything that's in process is on track to be delivered on time to customers. If not, is there anything that needs to be done to support the production workers to get those delivered on time? That's the main parts of the meeting. After that, it can be any events that are coming up, any business, any important business events that are happening, any customer visits, any other business basically. After that, you're done, everyone goes back to their work and they kind of work the plan that you've just planned out. So it's a great set of tools, it's really effective. One of the things that's really important for it is to have good data, to have all your numbers and all your information coming into that meeting first thing in the morning. So that's one of the areas that we can help, and we've developed features into our manufacturing execution system, Taskers, to make sure that when you come to do a daily stand-up meeting like that, there's dashboards there that's available that can give you all of that data immediately, so you can stand around that in the meeting rather than having to prepare information before coming along to the meeting. So let's take a quick look at that now. So this is one of the tools that we have to help those daily stand-up meetings. It's our current work in progress report that gives you a live update straight from the shop floor of where every order that's work in progress, that's either planned or work in progress or completed, is for the current day, week, month, quarter. So how this helps: over on the left hand side here, we've got all the orders that are planned to come into the factory for today. So when we're talking about specific kind of high priority orders, you can take a look at them in here, drill down into any of the detail of them, and you can talk about which way, if there's specific areas that they need to go to or specific people who are going to handle those orders, you can discuss that at that daily stand-up meeting. We've got the swim lanes going across to the right hand side over to where it's to where orders are completed, so you can see what's going through the shop floor right now. And the way that they're coloured here at the moment is based on if they're expected to be completed within the customer's expected delivery date. So we've got a few on here that are red. That means that at the moment they're going to be delivered late. So that might, at that daily management meeting, it might mean taking a look at these specific orders, what's wrong, what's causing that, what can we do, and then having a discussion of what we can do to fix that. Orders that are marked up green are ones that are on track to be completed on time, so there may be less priority ones to talk about in that meeting. So it's tools like this that can help you. It means less kind of upfront preparation, more just standing around a dashboard like this at those meetings and just being able to pick out the high priority things that you and your team need to work on for the rest of the day. So hope that helps. Any questions, drop us a comment below. Thanks very much.